Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video. This time I have a subscription box that I get that's called the Causebox. And so if I'm not mistaken, it's a Canadian box that's supposed to have things from companies that are ethical and that have good for the environment stances, or have products that are made in a sustainable way and good for the environment. So I love the first box that I got from this company. So this is their new spring box. So I'm really excited to get into this. So the first thing, as always, is this little magazine that comes with it. It tells you about each of the companies whose products are in the box. And for those of you that don't know, this is Blue Bear, my puppy. Hi, puppy. So I'm excited to get into this. So the first thing, oh wow, is this huge clutch, I guess. Kind of like a portfolio, but I think it's supposed to be a clutch. It's just a portfolio in kind of a nice, almost mint green kind of gray color. So this is pretty cool. I'm honestly not sure how much use I'm going to get out of this though. I don't really see myself using something like this, but we'll see if I do in the future. And just for those who are curious, on the inside it's just like this. It has a few holders here. I guess it goes like this actually. So there's a few card slots, and then yeah. I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh. So the next thing is called Causebox Glow Bamboo Brightening Mask. You all know that I love bamboo and anything bamboo. So I'm actually really excited to see how bamboo makes your skin glow. So this one, it says, the brightening mask helps remove dead surface cells for optimal absorption of brightening ingredients that help reduce that appearance of discoloration, uneven skin tone, and roughness for visibly smoother, brighter, and luminous looking skin. We'll have to see how this works. And just inside, a little tube of product. Now, the Causebox, like the FabFitFun box, gives you full-size products, which is pretty great. So the next thing is this Wild Cognac Facial Cleansing Sponge. So it says it's 100% natural and biodegradable, pH balanced, no fragrance, no chemical, vegan, and cruelty-free. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's kind of like a little loofah for your face. So next is this scarf in this gorgeous marigold kind of color. Ooh, it feels really nice. Now, I don't tend to wear a lot of scarves. It's just not my aesthetic. I don't know, I just don't like things around my neck. But maybe I could use this as like a headband or a hair scarf, or even just an accent for a bag. We'll see. We'll see if I get some use out of it. The name on this bottle is amazing. So it's called Mist Congeniality. I love puns. So it's a rose water hydro mist, 100% naturally derived, 79% organic face mist. And it says on here, every bottle helps to educate, empower, and liberate girls around the world. Hey, I'm behind beauty products that make me look better and help women and girls everywhere. All of them tend to come with a little postcard with some artwork by the person who designed the box for the Causebox. So this is what the artwork looks like this year. So next is this Marina Debucci bracelet, and it says freedom awaits, and they say our mission is to fight human trafficking. By choosing this bracelet, you are contributing to set victims free. We would love you to use our bracelet to raise awareness and speak on behalf of those who cannot speak for themselves. Together, we can change the world. And it's this cute little bracelet with some stars and a moon. And it says, you are my moon and stars. Tiny little bracelet here. I do not think that that is going to fit on my wrist. I don't know what human's wrist that would actually fit. That is very, very small. You know what? My mom has super tiny wrists. Let's see if it fits her. Okay. I was like, why is there a bunch of rope? So it says that it's this macrame plant hanger. For anyone else who has pets, yeah, plants don't really survive. I'll find something else to put in it, but it sure as heck ain't going to hold a plant. Not unless you want that plant to get eaten. So it's just this, and it can hold a pot with something in it. Maybe it'll hold a fake plant. Something that, you know, my cat can't eat, or that my dog cannot destroy. We'll see. And the last thing in the box, actually, I got one of these in my FabFitFun box as well. So it's the Bamboo Lyocell Eye Mask. So as I said before, my FabFitFun video was quite tight, so I actually found that I couldn't sleep with it on a regular basis every night, but it will make a great travel mask. And now that I have two, there's one for my partner as well. And that is it for the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye!